Experiencing no service on your Simple Mobile phone can be frustrating. Since Simple Mobile uses T-Mobile's network, the issue usually stems from three main causes: SIM eSIM problems, network outages, or incorrect device settings. First, ensure your SIM card is properly inserted and undamaged, or that your eSIM is correctly activated if you have a newer phone. Next, check for network outages in your area using the T-Mobile coverage map on Simple Mobile's website or a service like Down Detector. Finally, quickly toggle airplane mode on and off to refresh your device's connection to the network. Also confirm your device supports the eSIM feature. These steps should resolve the no service issue for the majority of Simple Mobile users. If basic troubleshooting doesn't resolve the issue, check your device's advanced settings. Start with the access point name, or APN, which connects your device to the mobile network. For Simple Mobile, the APN should be set to simple with a blank username and password. Incorrect APN settings can completely block data access. Next, verify your network mode settings. Ensure LTE or 5G is properly selected based on your device capabilities and coverage area. This ensures optimal connectivity and can resolve signal issues. Looking ahead, eSIM technology is becoming increasingly common. Simple Mobile has seen over 60% eSIM adoption as of 2025, offering seamless activation without physical cards. This trend improves reliability and reduces setup issues. AI-powered diagnostics are rising to help fix connectivity issues automatically. Carrier apps now use intelligent algorithms to identify and resolve problems without manual intervention. Satellite integration is another promising trend. Partnerships like T-Mobile's Starlink collaboration should minimize network outages and no service incidents by up to 50% by 2030, providing reliable backup coverage. If these advanced steps do not fix the issue, contact Simple Mobile customer support for further assistance.